Hello everyone, welcome to Full Circle Trader. If you are new on this channel, so what we basically do here is we use multiple technical concepts to understand and analyze the charts. And one of the key technical concepts that we use is bar by bar analysis. So to understand these technical concepts well, follow the channel and watch the complete video. So with that, let's start the analysis for Monday. So if you remember, I have mentioned that we have two WRBs here on the weekly time frame. So WRBs is basically a wide range bars. So usually after the WRBs, we have resting days or resting candles. And this is what we have here. If you remember from my past video, I have mentioned that there is a possibility that entire week might remain like this in a narrow range. And this is what has happened. And on the daily chart, we have a whole range of consolidation just below the resistance area. Now, this consolidation below resistance, although it is bullish, and I have mentioned it also a couple of times. However, we have this breakout failure candle here. Now, usually when a pattern gets failed, it leads to an even faster movement to the other direction. So far, we have not seen that, but there is a possibility that prices might pull back due to this, failing pattern here, due to this selling here. On the contrary, if we have, a buying which completely takes over the high of this failed pattern, then this bar will get completely negated. And we might see more upside movement in the coming days. On the hourly time frame, we can clearly see that prices are between a narrow range of resistance and support area. So what we need is that either prices should come down to support to take the long trades, or reach at the resistance zone to take the short trades, or it should either breach either of it, meaning either it should break the support or the resistance to take the trade in that direction. Now let's just see what is happening on the 5-minute time frame and how can we take the trade. So we are between the resistance and support zone. So this is not an ideal area where we should take the trade. And if you can see the alignment of moving averages, it indicates the downturn, right? So when we have a downtrend going on, we will have 20 below 50 and 50 below 200. And this is what the alignment is telling us. So for prices to go up and for the long trades, what I'm looking for here is that prices should come down to the support zone here and then form a strong bearish pattern and come above the 20-period moving average, and then we will go long in this market. On the other side, if we want a short trade, depending on how and where the market gets open, prices should open gap up and form a bearish pattern. One of the bearish pattern could be an M top or a rounding bottom kind of a pattern. And then it starts to move down, then we will take the short trade here. Let's just clean this up. So in Banknifty, prices are above the declining 20 MA and it is below the 250 MA. So which makes this market bearish as compared to Nifty. So our first priority would be to take the short trades in this market, because possibility is that after maybe after gap up opening, this market starts to move down, and that we can see in the hourly time frame as well. It has broken the support, and up until here we do not have any reference point where prices might get stopped. So if let's say prices open gap up and then starts to move down, we will definitely take the short trade up until this target here, which is around 34,725. If you check out the weekly time frame as compared to Nifty, where we have the small range candle at the upper 1/3 of the wide range bar, in this market we have a selling day, a selling week, which is taken more than 50% of this wide range bar. That makes it little bearish. So what we do is our bias in Bank Nifty is towards to the short side. So let's just see what is happening in the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so in the 5-minute time frame, again we have 20 MA below 50 and below 200, and it has also broken the support. Now, if you can see, this is the area here, the first point of reference to fill the gap where Bank Nifty is currently. It is around 35,100. So I think this area will get breached soon. And if let's say prices open in this zone somewhere and then starts to move down, then we will take the short trade, because we do not have any support up until here in this time frame, right? I have mentioned that also the strong wide range bars are very powerful bars. However, they do not have any support, any pivot when they move up, right? So in case of a turn, or if the downtrend starts, there is nothing to stop the prices moving down further. And this is what is happening in this time frame. So let's just zoom it out a little bit so that you can see it clearly. So we do not have any strong support up until here, where it has created some kind of a little support here. So let's say if prices open in this zone, touches the declining 200 MA and then starts to move down, then we will definitely take the short trade for the first target near at this support area. So hope you have got the message. That's about it in this analysis. Hope you have enjoyed it. So if you have any questions related to this analysis, please ask in the comment box. So that's it from this video. Take care. Bye-bye.